Good morning students. Today we are going to see the problems in exercise 2.4 third sum. Find the nth term of the following sequences. First subdivision is 2, 5, 10, 70 and goes on. We need to find the nth term of the sequence. That means we need to find an. So nth term is an. So here a1, that means first term is 2. So let us take a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 5, a3 equal to 10 and a4 equal to 17 and goes on. We need to find the general term an which is suitable to all the terms in the or which are satisfies the all the terms in the sequences. For that first one, however, we start n value as natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and goes on. So first one is 2. 2 means first value 1. So n plus 1 is 2. If we need to check n plus 1 is suitable for second term. Second term means n equal to 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. It is not the suitable one. So therefore we need to check other values. That means an equal to n squared minus 1. So first term means 1. Substitute n equal to 1. So a1 equal to 1 squared plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next a2 means 2 squared plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Next a3 means a3 equal to 3 squared plus 1, that means 9 plus 1, 10. Fourth term is a4 equal to 4 square, 16 plus 1, 17. So the general term or nth term is suitable for all the values in the sequences. Therefore nth term an equal to n squared plus 1. Similarly, the second subdivision 0, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and goes on. We can rewritten as 0 is same as 0 by 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and goes on. Here a1 equal to 0 by 1, a2 equal to 1 by 2, a3 equal to 2 by 3 and goes on. That is our, let us take our first term as a1, that is 0 by 1, second term a2 is 1 by 2, third term a3 is 2 by 3. So our general term an equal to, where n takes the values as natural number 1, 2, 3 and goes on. So first we find the denominator. Denominator is 1, 2, 3 and goes on. So directly we can take as n. So apply the values for n. 1, second term 2, third term 3. Next numerator. Numerator is first value is 0. So numerator as well as denominator we can apply the same value only. So here 1 means here 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. That means n minus 1. We need to check this general term is suitable for all the terms of the sequences. So first value n equal to 1 means 1 minus 1 divided by 1. So 0 by 1. Second term means 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by 2. Third term means 3 minus 1 divided by 3, 2 by 3. So our general term or nth term will be this one. So nth term of the sequence will be this one. Similarly, listen the third subdivision 3, 8, 13, 18. We need to find the nth term of the sequences. So let us take a1 equal to 3, that is first term equal to 3, second term a2 equal to 8, third term a3 equal to 13, fourth term a4 equal to 18 and goes on. So n takes the value as 1, 2 and goes on. So our nth term an equal to first value is 3. Here n equal to 1. So 3 means n plus 2. So n plus 2 means 1 plus 2 is 3. But it is whether it is suitable for other term or not. So second term is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. But here we have 8. So it is not the suitable value. So that is 5 into n minus 2. That is suitable for all the terms in the sequences. We need to check that. So 5 into 1 minus 2 is 3. Second term is 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Third term is 5 into 3 15. 15 minus 2 is 30. Fourth term is 5 into 4 20. 20 minus 2 is 80. So the nth term of this sequence is suitable for all the terms in the sequences. So our nth term is an equal to 5n minus 2. Thank you, students.